This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to enable or disable autofill on the Firefox browser. So I'm right here on a random page actually on Firefox. All you need to do is come up to the very top. So we're going to click on Firefox there. We're going to come down to Preferences. Once we've clicked on Preferences, we have the main preferences open here. On the sidebar, halfway down, click on Privacy and Security. Now we need to scroll down just a little way. You see passwords here, and the first one right here, we see payment methods. So we've got payment methods here with the autofill option, and we have addresses and more here with the autofill options. So by default, these will be selected to save and autofill for both payment info and addresses. If you want to turn those off, literally just turn off the checkbox right there. You don't need to save anything. That will auto save and will be reflected in your browser. You might need to restart your browser, but that should take effect straight away. If you want to turn it on, obviously you will do what I've just done there and click on the two checkboxes. You can also manage addresses and more from here, and also the payment methods from here. But that is how you will turn off or on autofill on Firefox browser. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.